Then we bring a grill from 3 floors, round one. The first floor we put vegetables, the second floor we put chicken, and the third floor we put the rice. We cover it here down for 2 hours. It has to be covered very well. So this way how to barbecue or to cook under the ground, we call it derp. Derp is another word, means something surrounding and closed very well. And it's cooked by pressure, so it has to be, there is no leakage out. If there is leaking out, everything down there is going to burn. And also our ancestors long time ago here in Jordan, they taught us how to cook under the ground, because long time ago they cooked for vegetables, for ceremonies, for wedding, for gathering people. So they invented a way how to cook food, a lot of food in a small period of time. And it's very delicious because when you marinate it, cooking the lamb, the rice, vegetables, anything, and cover it here down, nothing will move out. So everything is cooked inside by pressure. And it's very delicious. You're gonna like it, guys. So you can see the vegetable on the top. The vegetable.
Wow.
Amazing.
Nice.
Smell nice, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna like it.
Something like makluba?
No, magluba is something way different. That's like something like barbecue. Just under the ground.
You all ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
You go!
Oh, the layers of
Perfect.
So this is the vegetable.
Let's see.
Also marinated. And this is the chicken there. And the rice is down.
Rice is at bottom.
Very delicious. You're gonna like it, guys. Thank you for your time. 2 minutes.
So everybody, see you tomorrow for breakfast.
No. Just 2 minutes. We're gonna open the buffet. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Wow. This is the.
Put this metal because it's so sandy here. The ground is stable. We just dig a hole.
Wow.
And where's the fire? Around that
The
pot?
fire is down there. It's a wood.
Ah, wood.
You know, the good thing about it, after 2 hours, the fire is going to reduce because it's already cooked. So when it's cooked, the fire is going to reduce. Why? Because what's making the fire letting, it's the juice in the lamb and the rice and vegetables. But when it's cooked, the fire is going to reduce. That's like that.
This is
You
the.
can try it home.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice.